The listening test. Section 1A. Conversation between two speakers on everyday or social topic. Section 2A. Talk by one speaker on a general topic. Section 3A. Discussion between 2 to 4 speakers on a topic related to education. Section 4A. Lecture or talk by one speaker on an academic or study-related topic. The listening test is the first part of the IELTS test. Take a pencil and an eraser with you. You write your answers on the question paper as you listen. You can use abbreviations at this stage if you want to. The recording gives you time to transfer your answer to an answer sheet after the test. You cannot take any books into the test room. Good quality headphones will be provided. Once recording has started, you cannot leave or enter the room, or stop or interrupt test. There may be a lot of people in the room, so be prepared for this. You hear the IELTS listening recording only once, so you need to keep up with the questions and make good use of the words on the question paper to help you do this. Where do I write my final answers? You transfer your answers carefully from the question paper to an answer sheet at the end of the test. The OMR sheet will hear different accents. Yes, but they will always be clear and easy to understand. You will not hear any grammatical mistakes. Listening. Section 1. Section 1 consists of a conversation, two speakers based on social or survival. Example, booking a hotel. Section the first of may consist of different types of questions such as 1. Is pick from a list. 2. Is form filling. 3. Is labeling a map plan. Pick from a list. In this type of question, you have to pick the correct answer from the list of options. There are usually 2 or 3 correct answers to pick from about 6 options labeled A or B or C. Example, questions 3 to 4. Choose 2 letters from A to E. Which 2 things must the girl do before she can take the road driving test? A is have her own car. B is have her own computer. C is pass the road rules test. D is book driving lessons. E is reach the age of 18. Labeling a map or a plan. In this type of questions, you identify places on the map or plan, using words and/or a number from a box of option. The parts to be labeled will have an arrow and the question number beside them. Alternatively, places may already identified on the map with letters. You match these letters to the information in the numbered questions.